Welcome to Finpod, your daily financial digest. I am your host, Evan. We are brought to you by Fintwit.ai, your go-to platform for real-time trading signals and stock recommendations. Let's get right into the action. Nike is seeing some after-hours movement. The company reported a revenue beat, but the stock is slipping because that profit was largely driven by a one-time tariff refund, while the core business continues to face significant top-line headwinds. Investors are clearly skeptical about the underlying turnaround. Meanwhile, the semiconductor space is buzzing. Advanced Micro Devices is up significantly today after a bullish note from Wells Fargo, which raised its price target and highlighted the company's strong position as the AI market shifts toward inference computing. Bloom Energy is another standout, surging after a massive expansion of its partnership with Brookfield to finance AI infrastructure power projects. AMBA is also catching a bid, riding momentum from institutional interest and optimism around its edge AI chip demand. Finally, Marvell Technology is up, with analysts cheering its dominant position in the high-speed connectivity and data center market. Stocks had a solid day. The S&P 500 gained nearly 1%, and the Nasdaq climbed over 1.5%, as investors shook off earlier volatility to wrap up the quarter. The Dow hit a new all-time high. This recovery was driven by a rebound in AI-related stocks, which had been under pressure lately, and resilient labor market data that suggests the economy is holding up. In the AI economy, the narrative is shifting from pure excitement to execution. We are seeing a real focus on infrastructure, with massive capital commitments from the likes of Google, which recently closed a major equity raise to fund compute and data centers. The industry is moving beyond just pilot programs to embedding AI into core business operations, as seen at the latest major industry conferences. Looking at other notable movers, Intel had a strong day alongside the broader chip group, while Rocket Lab surged following a major acquisition announcement. In earnings news, Constellation Brands posted results today, beating both top and bottom line estimates for the quarter. However, the company updated its fiscal year earnings guidance to a range that sits slightly below the consensus, which has kept the stock relatively flat as investors weigh the strong quarter against a more cautious outlook. That is a wrap for today. We covered the mixed reactions in retail, the ongoing AI infrastructure frenzy, and a strong finish for the major indexes. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment with any topics you want us to cover next. And for all your stock recommendations, visit Fintwit.ai.